how you can operate your Android TV without a remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, take a look at your Android TV. Most TVs have buttons on the side or under the screen, so you can turn the TV on and off, change the volume, or switch channels using those buttons. Once you find the buttons, press them to do simple things. For example, press the power button to turn it on or off, press volume buttons to make it louder or softer, and press channel or input buttons to change what you're watching. Now, if your TV has just one button, you can still use it. Press and hold it to open the TV menu, and then press it once to move to the next option. Once you see the option you want, press and hold again to select it. After that, the easiest way is to use your smartphone. So go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Android TV Remote Control app. Then open the app and make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as your TV. Now select your TV in the app. Once you're connected, the app works just like a real remote. You can change volume, switch apps, and even type with your phone. And that's it. That's how you can operate your Android TV without a remote.